Hi, my name is Hannah. Whether you have a production garden, a balcony, or just a windowsill, parsley is a perfect choice for you as it features in many dishes. Parsley's mild and slightly peppery flavour makes it a versatile herb that can be used to enhance a wide variety of dishes. Though it is a year-round herb, it's best to plant your parsley in spring or autumn so as to avoid the extremes in weather, like heat and frost. When choosing the location for your plant, keep in mind that this herb likes to have partial to full sunlight, so it's best to find a sunny spot in the garden or windowsill to sit your pot. Before planting, you'll want to enrich your soil by adding some well-rotted manure or compost to enhance your soil's fertility and ensure that the area is well drained, as you want to prevent waterlogging. Now that your soil is prepped, it's time to plant your seeds or seedlings. If you're planting parsley from seed, sow them into the soil about 6 mil deep and 15 to 20 centimetres apart. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and spray them with water. If you're planting a seedling, make sure to dig a hole that's slightly larger than the size of the root ball. Then place your seedlings in the hole and backfill with the soil, gently pressing down to secure them. Now that your plants are in, it's time to give them a soak with a seaweed solution. When it comes to watering, make sure to keep your soil consistently moist, but not overwatered. A good tip: if the top 2 to 3 centimetres of soil feels dry to touch, then it's a good indication that it's time for a water. To retain moisture and avoid weeds coming through, lay down a layer of organic mulch like this pea straw. Parsley doesn't require heavy fertilisation. However, during the growing season, you can apply a slow-release fertiliser if your plant isn't thriving. When your parsley gets to around 15 to 20 centimetres in height, you can start harvesting. Start with the outer leaves and work your way in. Now that we've harvested some, let's take it inside and see what the chef has in store for us. Hey Chris, look what I picked here in the garden today.
Hannah, this parsley looks incredible.
I can't wait to see what you'll make with it.
Thanks. Hi, I'm Chef Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to make falafels and tabouli using your homegrown parsley. It's going to be great. We're going to begin by making tabouli. Give your curly parsley a really good wash and dry, remove the stems and finely slice. Next, we'll finely chop some spring onions, cucumber and tomato. Then mix this in with our burgle and let stand for a few minutes so that the burgle softens. Once the burgle's softened, tip that mixture in with your chopped parsley. Then add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 50 ml of lemon juice and season with salt and pepper to taste. For best results, let the tabouli rest for about 15 minutes before you serve, just to let the flavours meld. Now we're going to make falafels. The night before, soak 300 grams of dried chickpeas in lots of water. Then on the day, give them a thorough drain when you're ready to make your mixture. In a large food processor, add a bunch of roughly chopped parsley, 300 grams of soaked chickpeas, 1 onion roughly chopped, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, a teaspoon each of ground cumin and coriander, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 teaspoons of sesame seeds, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Pulse the mixture, stopping to scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally until the mixture resembles a coarse green paste. To test if your mixture is the right consistency, roll a small amount into a ball and drop it onto your cutting board. If it holds its shape without cracking, you're good to go. If it cracks, Add a splash of water, pulse it a little bit further, and try again. Next, using a 1/4 cup, roll the mixture into balls and place on a tray. Now, they're ready to be cooked. Fill a pot no more than halfway with oil and heat to 180 degrees. With a slotted spoon, gently place the falafels into the oil. Cook these for 5 minutes or until deeply golden. Now plate up and it's time to dig in. And there you have it, delicious falafel and tabouli made from your own homegrown parsley. How good.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.